Hello everyone. I was about to wash my motorcycle for the first time, and then I got a big surprise when I looked at the tires. Boom. There you go. This sucks. So I got this tire plug kit from the auto parts store. Hopefully I can plug it and then inflate it. Now this is supposed to be a temporary fix for some reason for motorcycle tires. I mean, you can't plug it and keep riding it, but I have about 300 some miles on my motorcycle already, so the break-in service is at 600 something, right? So hopefully this holds, and when I go in for the break-in service, you know, I can have them look at it, and you know, if I have no choice, then gotta get it changed. But hopefully this thing holds. Let's see what happens. Okay, so the kit came with this, and this. So I'm supposed to put this in. I'm supposed to make the hole, clean the hole, and then I'm supposed to thread this into here and then plug it in like 2/3 of the way in, and then pull it out, and then this will stay in there, and then cut that off with this, and hopefully it stays. So let's try this. Alright, so I'm supposed to put the needle in, insert into the puncture until plug is pushed approximately 2/3 of the way in. Pull the needle straight out, I guess. Okay, so ready? I think that's good enough. I think that's good enough, right? All right. All right, so I put air into 36. Whoops. It doesn't look like there's any leaks, I don't think. So I'll wash my bike. I'll do a quick ride, like a short ride, and then I'll check the pressure again and again, and hopefully this stays. Alright, so I'll let you know. Alright, I got it all washed up, and I checked the tire pressure at 36, so that's a good sign. Yep, I just washed it all up. It looks like a big hole because there was a bolt on the outside, but actually the hole was like a regular nail size. I could have done a better job cutting this down, but it's rubber, so I think it will wear off when I ride. So I'll let the bike dry off a little bit, take it for a ride. I'm not gonna go too far. And then from Amazon, I'm going to get like the portable air inflator and just carry it around. So hopefully this survives until my first break-in service, and then the dealer will tell me whether I need to change it or not. I think they're probably going to tell me to change it, but that's a shame. My bike is like, only 300 miles. I already got that sucks. Yeah, in my other video, I talked about the frame sliders that I installed, the Womet Tech frame sliders, and that one side doesn't move, and the other side, one of them, see, I can move it with my hand, but the thing is, I left it in this position. When I'm riding, it doesn't move, so I guess it's okay. And then I tried to contact their customer service. Nobody contacted me back, but I did go to their YouTube page where they have the install for this, and I commented, and then the person commented that it's like, that's okay, it's a machine. Sometimes they machine it so it's positive instead of negative. But in either case, I'd rather have both of them that move or both of them that don't. So I hope they still contact me, because it's not, it's not cheap. The frame sliders by themselves are like, almost $80, 70 something with taxes, almost $80. Yeah, that's about it. And also, oh yeah, I got the rack. Yeah, it looks pretty sleek. And I got the mount, and it's definitely not moving. It's working pretty good. And portrait mode, it hides the bottom part of the display of the gauge, but I can still see the miles and the gear, no problem. When it's landscape and I'm sitting on the bike, I can see everything, no problem at all. So hopefully this will last. I'll take it for a quick ride a little bit later. All right. Comment below if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions. My next big upgrade will be for the getting a power source here. So originally I was gonna get the aftermarket one where it comes with like 2 bullet connections, but it is my understanding, because there's no information online, especially for the 650, up to 2019 there were 2 bullet connections that's in here somewhere you can just connect to and it will work. But starting from 2020 and up, it doesn't look like there's any bullet connections. It's got like a Kawasaki plug. So I'm going to get the Kawasaki DC power. That's like the cigarette lighter one. That one has that Kawasaki plug, and I think it's a plug in here somewhere, in the side somewhere. So I'll have a separate video for that. I'll try to figure out an easier way, because a lot of videos, they concentrate on taking this off. This is easy. I can just get like a short stubby screwdriver, just turn it twice in the back and this will pop off. This is not a big deal. The big deal is what do you connect to? And I think it's inside here somewhere. Hopefully it's easy. Until then, all right, see ya.